to go. Scratch that. There's that building. We built one U. I mean, it wouldn't affect the fun. No. Oh.
Yes.
And we do. So you end up screwing something up. Yeah, that's all right. Into. And I can kind of force it, but acceptable to me anyway. Different kit. LTT stored. Screw it in from the backside. That sounds way easier.
It doesn't. But that's the thing, is you gotta type on it for a while.
Anyway, popping in our switches. Go. Assume this is the one that you lubed.
The quieter one, yeah.
Okay, all right. Well, it is. You do it easier. Lube. We're coating on them. You can to be doing that. Right. There's anyway. It's done, right?
Yeah.
Not today. It is. Friend here, D. Play clean. Things a little here for being more fancy thing. You could see your keys. Whew.
Sounds pretty good.
Cool. Cool in like a, you know, because eeping. I'm not say that. Is it trademarked?